Welcome back, Laughlin enthusiasts, to our exciting journey along the river cities. Today we have an incredible story to share, where a simple 6-person raft found itself entangled in the powerful propeller of the grand celebration. Join us as we dive under the massive 150-person yacht to free the debris. That tangled mess of vinyl and threads all that's left of that 6-person raft. As you can see, it's pretty difficult to record due to the 8-mile-an-hour current. Crazy, but it's not too bad.
How was it? Let's see your finger.
We have a casualty.
I'm gonna grab, let me see that, and I'm gonna go back under and get a video of the prop. I kind of got a lot of blood on me.
Not cool, dude.
I'm bleeding all over the place. I'm leaking all over the place. I'm gonna have to wipe it off. As you can see, we got the raft all cleared from the prop. Now it spins free. So we did not have it in gear right now. That's just how fast the current moves. And when my hand slips off the rudder, I had the line that I was holding get all wrapped around me. Had to untangle myself, then the jet ski picked me up.